Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. You join me today with a car which is drastically different to anything I have ever filmed, but probably a car which a lot of you already know about. This car has been doing the rounds on YouTube recently, but for all of the good reasons, and if you look at the number plate, that is exactly why. This car is owned by a good friend of mine and fellow YouTuber, Joel. I'll introduce you to him very shortly. And yeah, basically, we're just gonna go out in this thing and see exactly what it's like. I've seen numerous videos of this car and how incredible it sounds. And so I wanted a little bit of the pie as well. So yeah, like I said, we'll introduce you to Joel, and then we'll get this thing started up and go and make some serious noise from a V12 7 Series. Joel, mate, what have you done? You've been busy, haven't you?
I bought an old man's car.
You have? You have?
It's a bit different to my, well, actually the last time you saw me I had my MT40i.
Yes, and this is the direct replacement to that car.
Technically, yeah.
Yeah.
Although not exactly a direct competitor.
Well, no.
Something a little bit different.
It's genius is what it is. It's absolutely genius.
I don't want to say it, but I kind of think it works.
Yeah, it does.
It's, well, look, for those of you that don't know, it's a 7 Series. Obviously,
yep.
Well, not obviously. Some people. It's the Bangle design one, so it's the really ugly one. It's really disgusting.
Yeah.
The Bangle butt. But this one is a 760.
Yeah.
Which means it's a 6-litre V12, which is what I think the Rolls-Royce Phantom engine was based off.
Quite possibly.
There's actually in the engine bay. There's some components that have Rolls-Royce on it.
Really?
Yeah.
Christ.
Anyway, so it's a 6-litre V12, and I've straight piped it.
Yes, you have.
From the cat's back.
Yeah.
So there's like a single bore. Ooh,
steady there.
Single bore pipe.
Don't want an insurance claim on me there.
Yeah, there's a single bore pipe that goes all the way from the primaries back out. So
and obviously
quite noisy.
the standard exhaust, you don't actually have an exhaust tip. It's just invisible. So you kind of stuck with that. So it's all underneath the car.
So it's
all
literally
very OEM.
Apart from the V12 plate, it's
that again
nothing,
genius.
Well, there's some V12 badging on the side, but it's actually very discreet.
You've got to have V12 badge on your V12, though, haven't you?
Yeah.
It's absolutely genius. So you worked out, right, what this car would have costed new when it was, well, what, 2007, I think it was?
Yeah, it's nuts. So I found out, I don't actually know the specific, because I need to find like a spec sheet for this car.
Yeah.
But the 760 Li stock before options were £88,000. But obviously in 2007, £88,000 was worth a bit more now.
Yeah, of course.
So yeah, if you do an inflation calculator, that's about 125k in today's money. Before options.
Yeah,
and this has got a ton of options.
Yeah, it does.
So I would probably estimate it was 130, 140 quite easily in today's money.
Unbelievable.
And I paid £5 for it.
That's incredible. So literally all you've done to it is the exhaust. I suppose it's all you need to do to it.
I think so, yeah. I mean, to be honest, although it doesn't look really clean today, I did get it basically had a £1,000 clean on the interior. The seats came out and...
oh yeah, I saw that video actually.
Yeah, it got really deep clean. So it is. Yeah, I've looked after it. Then what else have I? Yeah, I've just straight piped it. For the noise. And
Fair play to you.
It sounds like an old Mercy.
Yeah.
That has a red line of 6,000 RPM.
That's incredible, mate. I need to get like so many sound clips of this thing. So I think without further hesitation, let's get this thing started and just go and have a laugh, because the sound this thing makes is just hilarious. And yeah, I cannot wait to experience it. Mate! It rumbles the whole car.
It does. And you've got to remember,
Oh,
it's was that a Boxer?
yeah, I think it was.
512. Very nice.
Interesting. Couldn't see it, was so bloody far away. Honestly, I mean, you were even like miles away.
Yeah, we're definitely like keeping the 2 metre distance in this car.
It really screams, doesn't it?
It's so
it really
funny.
screams.
It's such a strange tone as well.
It is, yeah. But it's so unusual because, I mean, this noise should not be coming out of a car like this.
No.
At all.
And it shouldn't, like it, but it just had to be done.
Oh, yeah.
It just had to be done. I wanted to hear the V12 breathe a little.
I wonder how many other ones of these in the world have been straight piped.
Well, it's funny because, I mean, it's an interesting fact. I don't know the exact number, but there's less than 200 of these.
In the world?
I can't remember if it's the world or the UK. I have a feeling it's actually the world.
I can't imagine there being many of these in the UK, to be fair.
Might be the UK. Either way, it's actually an extremely rare car. So when researching what they sound like, straight piped or modified, there's
of course
more or less nothing.
It's got some poke as well.
It's not slow. It's yeah, well, it might weigh over 2 tons, but it is still 440 brake horsepower.
Yeah.
So it does still go.
That's unbelievable. But you get some backfires as well.
There is the odd backfire.
It's just hilarious.
One of my favourite things about driving this car is the looks that you get off people.
Absolutely, yeah.
Looks of, well, you know what? It's not disgust so much. It's just shock.
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it a little launch here up to 60.
I've just figured out how to recline.
Ooh.
Oh, Christ, hello. What's it rev to?
750.
It's not bad.
But the problem is it's such a laborious gear change.
Yeah.
That it goes,
yeah.
Sort of like a lazy V12 sound.
Wow, these heated seats are very good, actually.
They're very heated, aren't they?
Did turn them down already.
So in the front, actually, I don't know why they didn't put it in the back as well, but I've got massage seats.
And I don't.
You don't. But so they're massage seats that are designed to keep my legs active. So I think it's intended for the driver and co-driver.
Oh, I see. So you can do long journeys in it.
When I'm driving my executive in the back. Yeah.
Is this rear-wheel drive, by the way?
It is.
Question. Have you tried a burnout before?
I have, yeah, hang on. I still haven't tried it with traction off, though.
Ooh.
So as long as no one turns up in the next few seconds, we'll try one right now. Glove box open.
That was a bit juddery, wasn't it?
That wasn't exactly the cleanest of burnouts. I feel like traction's still, I don't know.
I literally can't stop laughing every time you put your foot down.
So have you worked out the seat controls?
Yeah, briefly.
So yeah, as you spotted, you've got a fridge as well, which is lovely to have.
Yep.
There's a couple of bottles of Prosecco in there.
Lovely.
But I don't think you're a drinking man particularly, are you?
No,
I'm
not
not
really.
either, that's why. And then you've got a TV
Yeah.
in front.
Oh, blimey.
You know what I love about this car, right?
What?
I mean, yes, it was a lot of money back in the day.
Yeah.
But you've got like heated wheel, electric wheel, cruise control,
A heated wheel.
heated wheel, electric, and like all the options. Whereas you buy like a new M2 now, doesn't have any of it.
True. True.
Seats are manual.
Yeah.
But these are, you know, 18-way adjustable. Very good. This would be the perfect car to take to Germany, to cruise along, do some autobahns, and then take it on track.
Yeah, take it on track. Oh, amazing. What does that do? Oh! Ooh!
That was nice.
That was nice.
So, the other thing I should mention, because you're sitting in the back, obviously,
Yeah.
you're actually on the better side. So what you can do on your side is there's a button on your centre console where your seat controls are, sort of the furthest away from you and at the top. If you press that, you can then manipulate this seat.
Oh!
So you press that and then, so you can give yourself extra leg room.
I mean, I'm not the tallest of people, but that is beautiful. I can't get enough of that noise. Oh, dearie me. Well, mate, I think we're probably going through fuel in the truckload.
An alarming rate.
Yeah, definitely. So I think we'll wrap things up there. But it's great to finally come out on this thing, because I mean, I've seen this thing everywhere.
Of course.
I think every automotive YouTube channel has probably had this car on by now.
You had to see it though.
Oh, absolutely.
And I'm glad you did. I'm glad you wanted to, because I love showing people. I think that's probably the best thing about it.
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely. It's just hilarious, absolutely hilarious. And of course, if you want to see more about this thing, then by all means, go check out Joel's channel. If you haven't already, we've done some videos in the past, so you probably already recognise him, but I'll leave his details down in the description, down below. But I think for now, I think I'm going to put my heated seats on. I'll push that away from me.
Get the blinds up and relax.
Get the blinds up. Oh, to be honest, I'm going to break something in a minute. But anyway, that's going to wrap things up for me today. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please do make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe. All the adventures